everyone has done question number 3. Let's start with question number 4. Question number 4 is Rohan had rupees 1200. He bought a pair of jeans for rupees 805 rupees 75 paise. So find the amount left with him. So total amount Rohan had is equals to rupees 1200, and Rohan bought a pair of jeans for rupees 800 805 75 paisa. So we have to find amount left with him. So amount left with him is equals to 12,000 minus 805.75. So 0 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 0, 9, 11 minus 8, 3. So answer is amount left with him is 394 rupees 25 paisa. Question number 5 is Ritika buys a table lamp for rupees this much and gives. So it is same as question number 4. So question number 5 is your homework. Ritika buys a table lamp for rupees 812 rupees 75 paisa and she gives rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper. So how much will she get back in return? From shopkeeper, how much she will get back? So what you have to do, subtract 812 rupees 75 paisa from 1000. You will get the answer. Okay, so question number 5 is your homework. Let's see question number 6. Question number 6. Shishir receives rupees 500 from his father. He spent rupees 210 on a leather belt and rupees 150 on a wallet. Shishir spent on leather belt is equals to rupees 210 he spent on wallet is equals to rupees 150. So first add this, how much total he spent is equals to rupees 210 plus rupees 150. So 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 1, 3. So 360 rupees he spent in all, and total amount he had is rupees 500. Is equals to rupees 500. टोटल मनी शिशिर के पास कितनी है? 500 है. हाउ मच ही स्पेंड? ही स्पेंड रुपीज 360. सो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विथ हिम. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट. So for finding how much money left with him, what we have to do? We have to subtract how much he spent from total amount of money he had. Okay. Money left with him is equals to money left with him is equals to rupees 500 minus rupees 360. So answer is 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 6, that is 10 minus 6 is 4, and this 5 will become 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. So amount left with him is, money left with him is rupees 140. Okay. Done everyone? So moving to next exercise, exercise number 5. Exercise number 5 is multiplication. Multiplication of money and division of money. Okay, Suhani, do it fast. Giving a minute. Jaldi likho. Okay, those who have done, please show me thumbs up if you have done. Only 5 out of 16. I hope question number 4 is done everyone. सबका हो गया है question number 4. So exercise number 5. Question number 1A. multiplication. So we have done multiplication before also. कैसे करना है? The number of points after the number of digits after point. पहले आप सिंपल जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हो वैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, और व्हेन यू गेट द आंसर, आफ्टर गेटिंग द आंसर, क्वेश्चन में जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स के पॉइंट के बाद जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स है उतने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स के बाद आप पॉइंट लगाओगे. लेट्स सी. रुपीज 847 रुपीज 50 पैसा बाय 6. So 847.50 into 6. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 3 is 45, carry over 4, 5, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, and 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 2 is 50. ना क्वेश्चन में हमें पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 2 डिजिट. सो हम आंसर में भी हम 2 डिजिट्स के बाद ही पॉइंट लगाएंगे. सो आवर आंसर इज ₹5085. ओके. इन द सेम वे डू इट नेक्स्ट वन. नंबर बी, ₹760.85 पैसा बाय 3. Now while multiplying and dividing in money में जब आप कर रहे हो multiplication और division, so always put the point after from right side से 2 डिजिट के बाद ही आप हमेशा पॉइंट लगाओगे. ओके. बिकॉज हम पैसा 2 डिजिट्स में कंसिडर करते हैं. अगर आपने कभी नोटिस किया होगा, कभी whenever we write, so what we write? Number of rupees 0.00. सपोज 500 रुपीज है तो हाउ वी राइट 500.00. सो पैसे के लिए वी कंसिडर ओनली 2 डिजिट्स. पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स लिखते हैं. सो कभी भी आप मनी में मल्टीप्लिकेशन या डिवीजन करोगे तो राइट साइड से 2 डिजिट्स के बाद ही पॉइंट लगाओगे. इन प्रोडक्ट अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो प्रोडक्ट में 2 के बाद, और डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो क्वोशिएंट में 2 के बाद. ओके. 2 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट लगाओगे. इफ अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में पॉइंट डेसिमल दिया है, सपोज यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में आपको पॉइंट दिया है, अगर क्वेश्चन में ₹500/3 रहता तो यू विल नॉट पुट पॉइंट. ओके. अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है यू हैव टू डिवाइड 600/3, so you will not put point. But अगर क्वेश्चन में पॉइंट दिया है, डेसिमल दिया है, then only you have to put the point. Okay. Yes, Riddhi.
मैम बोर्ड अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है.
बट नेटवर्क यहाँ पे ठीक है बेटा.
नो मैम, बोर्ड क्लियर है मैम. आप जो ऊपर लिखे हो ना मैम वो नहीं दिख रहा है.
ओके. ऊपर का नहीं दिख रहा है. अभी नाउ इट इज क्लियर.
यस मैम.
So anyone has solved? What is the answer? आंसर क्या है? बी का. पट्टा. यस निष्ठा.
मैम 5 3s are 15 मैम.
हाँ, आंसर दिया.
Solve.
आंसर.
मैम आंसर बोलो सीधा.
हाँ, डायरेक्ट आंसर.
मैम 2282.55. 82.55.
22.55. सबका यही आंसर आया है. Yes. Moving to next. Number C. Number C is your homework. Do it on your own. Okay. Moving to next question. Question number 2. Division. Now divide. How to do division? Let's see. Question is rupees 7,631.20 paisa by 4. So 4 divided by 7631.20. So like यहाँ पे जैसे हम नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, सेम हियर डू नॉर्मली जैसे डिवीजन करते हैं वैसे डिवाइड करो. एंड व्हेन यू गेट द आंसर, जब क्वेश्चन मिलेगा तो क्वेश्चन पे राइट साइड से 2 डिजिट के बाद यू हैव टू पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके. नाउ 4 1s are 4 minus 3. The 6 will come down. 4 9s are 36. There, pay attention in the class, okay? Start your video, Dharya. Dharya, start your video. नेक्स्ट आंसर आप बताओगे. नंबर बी का आंसर आप बताओगे. This 3 will come down. So we will take 4 zeros are 0, 3, 1. Next 4 7s are 28 minus 11 minus 8 is 3. This 2 will come down. 4 8s are 32 minus this 0 will come here. Zeros are 0. So you will put point after 2 digits. Question में you will point after 2 digits. Okay, that is after 7. So our answer is 1,907 rupees 80 paisa. Answer is 1,907 rupees 80 paisa. Okay. Next one. Do it and tell me the answer. B. Rupees 8,341 rupees 30 paisa by 11. Yes, Riddhi, finished?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 758.30.
Rupees? फिर से बोलो.
758 rupees 758
हाँ.
758.30.
0.30. Yes. Yes, correct. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Paisa 55 minus 14 minus 5 is 700 rupees 758 30 paisa. Correct. Number C is your homework. Okay. So exercise 5 is complete. Moving to exercise 6. Exercise 6. Question number 1 is Fatima bought 6 silver cups. If the cost of one silver cup is rupees 1095 rupees 70 paisa, how much did she pay? So again, based on unitary method, that is cost of 1 cup is given, you have to find the cost of 6 cup. So what you will do? Multiplication or division? क्या करेंगे, कौन बताएगा? 1 कप का कॉस्ट दिया है, 6 कप का कॉस्ट निकालना है. ये सब नहीं.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Yes, correct. Multiplication. Cost of 1 cup is given, you have to find the cost of 6 cup. So multiplication. Exercise 6, question number 1. Cost of one silver cup is equals to rupees 1095.70 paisa. So cost of 6 silver cup is equals to rupees 1095.70 into 6. Multiply and tell me the answer. Question number 2 is also same as question number 1. So, हाँ सुहानी.
Ma'am, the answer is
हाँ. Answer is जल्दी 6 zeros are 0, 6 sevens are 42, 6 fives are 30.
6574.2. 6574.2.
0.20, not 0.2, 0.20. So answer is rupees 6,574.20 paisa. So cost of 6 silver cup is rupees 6,574 rupees 0.20 paisa. Okay. Question number 2 is same. Mrs. Mehta buys 7 packets of milk. Cost of 1 packet of milk is given. You have to find the cost of 7 packet of milk. Okay. So question number 2 is your homework. Moving to question number 3. Question number 3 is find the cost of 1 notebook. If 7 notebook cost is rupees. So cost of 7 notebook is given. You have to find the cost of 1 notebook. So what you will do? Which operation you will perform? हाँ अग्नि.
Division.
Division. Yes. Division. Cost of 7 is given. You have to find the cost of 1. So we will perform division. Cost of 7 notebooks is equals to rupees 1093.40 paisa. Cost of 1 notebook is equals to 7 divided by 1093.40. Divide and tell me. Yes, आशी. आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
मैम क्लियर है.
अभी क्लियर है ना? एनीथिंग एल्स?
यस मैम आंसर बताना.
आंसर बताना है. हाँ बताओ. बताओ.
मैम आंसर इज 1500 6.20 rupees.
एक मिनट.
मैम 156.
हाँ. 1 जा.
मैम 15.
Okay, 15. 15.
6.6
हाँ 20
20.
हाँ
ओके, बाकी तुमने बनाया नहीं है।
यस करेक्ट है। Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 pen cost rupees 9. 5 minutes left. One pen cost rupees 9. If you have rupees 176.20 paisa, how many pens can you buy? So एक पेन की कॉस्ट दी है and total amount you have is given. So divide the total amount by the cost of one pen. You will get the answer. Okay, and the remainder, how much amount is left is your remainder. ठीक है, आप divide करोगे you will get remainder. So the remainder is the amount you have you left. Okay, आपके पास कितना amount बचा is the remainder. ठीक है. So question number 2 and 4 is your homework. Question number 5. Question number 5 is Radheshyam spent rupees 5095.75 paisa in buying 11 pairs of shoes. He sold these shoes among 11 of his friends. How much money did each of his friend pay for a pair of shoes? Okay, so divide 11 pairs, divide total amount by 11. Because he is dividing, he is giving, he is means Radheshyam is selling this 11 pair of shoes to his 11 friends. So divide total amount by 11. So you will get how much one friend will pay. Yes, Avni. Yes, wait a minute. हाँ बोलो.
मैम
हाँ,
जो हमारे पास कितना अमाउंट बचेगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में, वो रिमाइंडर होगा कि क्वेश्चन?
जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा वो आपका अमाउंट लेफ्ट जो है, that is your amount left, and the quotient is the number of pens. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
Question number 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपको टोटल अमाउंट को 11 से डिवाइड करने, ओनली लेस देन 2 मिनट इज लेफ्ट. अगर क्लास ओवर हो जाएगी तो आप पूरा सॉल्व कर लेना. Radheshyam spent in buying 11 pair of shoes is equals to rupees 5095.75 paisa. So each friend will pay is equals to